don't know this, I like this Cadillac. This is actually Adam Eaton's CTS-V. It looks pretty cool. I like the blacked out emblem. This has a Casper logo. That's the nickname of this car, but it's really clean. So getting this top up is the most complicated thing ever. First he had to unlatch the top, then he had to go into the hood to unlock the hood, then he had to open the hood up, manually put the top back, and way complicated. I mean, my Miata, I'm gonna stop light, hit the tabs, and whoop, we're open. Don't touch people's cars. Don't lean against people's cars. So for those if you don't know, this is Howie Hendricks Mini Cooper, low key. He's got a GT3 RS and he brought the Mini Cooper. If you don't know who he is a baseball player for the Nationals. For those who don't know, this is my dream car, 360 Spider. They've got lots of issues, not as much issues as the 355 do, but I just love these. There was a guy who lived in my town that had one. It's got a 6-speed too, and it's also got the Challenge Grill, which one of the big things that I like about this is you can see the engine, which I think was so cool. Don't like Ferraris as much as I did, but I would take this any day of the week. I'm not known for being the biggest Nissan GTR fan, but I like this color. This burnt sun orange is pretty sweet. The reasons I don't like this car is it's just too big, too bulky. It's not really raw, so it's kind of, your grandma can drive it. But this color looks good. I'll give that I've actually, on my Instagram, have only posted one GTR. It would be nice if they made these at least in manual to kind of just, you know, make things a little bit better. But I like this interior as well. Shout out to Jafari. I made Jafari on Instagram. He finally got a Challenger. He was been bugging out for the longest time, and he got a TA 392 and a 6-speed, and he's got his Instagram on here as well. These things are just massive, and need all that power to push all that weight in this 302 right here. This 302 is in a great looking color as well. I'm a fan of blues, oranges, and reds on cars, and I've got a silver Miata. Got the Bike Squad Saturday morning cruisers. An attempt was made at making this a convertible, and it does not look good. And it's an automatic as well. Blech. Blech. Alright guys, that's it for me. This is going to be the last time I take photos or video until I head to Reagan. Go on an airplane. Choo choo!